Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between us. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today episode, we're here in Fossil Dune here in Abu Dhabi. This is our first time to go here in Abu Dhabi for almost 6 years living here in Abu Dhabi, and first time I heard, and we go here today with my family and Darling, our family friend. So I'm curious about this Fossils Dune. So yes, recently we went there in Fossils Rock in Sharjah. So it's a different kind of experience, and Fossils Rock is so big compared to this Fossils Dune. So come on, join our family and explore this place. You think it's volcano rock? Rocco think that this is a volcano rock. Look, Rocco, there's a bone. It's camel bone. See that? Yeah. See, look. There's a camel fossilized bone here.
Very ouchy.
Very ouchy. No, it's already dead. So the camel died long time ago. Oh no, because maybe he's old. That's why. So you see that? There's a see this. Here's the feet, and that I think that's one is the head, and this is the body, and this is the backside feet and tail. So unfortunately, my baby Rocco is scared in the camel corpse, the dead camel. So he wants to stay in the car alone. So I just opened the AC, but Nikki accompanied him in the car. So for now, I just explore this fossilized dunes. I don't know what is this, so we'll just investigate. So it seems like there's a lot of water before. See, there's a mark of water here, like a wave. So we'll just check. See, this is the fossilized sand. It's so hard. But that's made of sand only, I think, that one. So this is the biggest fossils. So I saw some of the people is going up, so I'll try to go up also. So we'll check here. So this is the biggest one. We'll check. See? So it seems like a oops. Oh, fossilized rock. Rocco! So now we're not alone anymore. There's already some Spanish or South American tourists. Rocco! Rocco! Rocco is not scared anymore. Wow, we're in the top of the Fossils Rock. Oh, yeah, right, this is a rock. Literally, this is a rock also. So, See, look.
What is that? What's that?
What's that? Which one?
The spider. This spider.
Spider? There's no spider there.
There's spider.
See spider?
Yes, there.
Where?
There.
Okay. You see spider?
Yes.
Rocco is no enjoying here. Right, Rocco? You enjoy?
Stop.
Why?
There's a spider.
Okay, there's no spider.
No.
Okay, okay.
I'm scared of spiders.
No more spiders.
I'm spider.
There's some kind of plastic here. What is this? Something like electronics. Careful. Don't throw your waste here.
We want to go there.
So there's a lot of fossils here. It's not that big. Maybe around 1, 2, 3 little mountain of fossils rock. But all of the other fossils are just like a human size, and some are like a baby size. So just to give you an idea, same like this. So I don't know how it become like this. I think there's water before here, because see there's some watermark, or I don't know. See, example like this. But I try to touch some of the fossils. Some are very strong, but other are, you know, powdery. So something like this. Maybe this one came from this side. So some of the tourists or maybe other people is start to damage you or something like distracting this place. We compare to the fossils rock in Sharjah. That fossils rock in Sharjah is so huge. Mountains, not only mountains, different mountains of rocks that are there. So here it's like a wave of fossils. If you want to go here, it's around 40 minutes from the city of Abu Dhabi, or maybe around 2.5 hours from Dubai. So this place is I can recommend also to all the people that want some fossils, something like that. So but if you're in nature lover, I can recommend this one. Yeah, I enjoy it. Oh, Rocco can climb in the mountain.
There's big mountain.
Yes, go Rocco, go.
There's wet.
Go Rocco, go.
Let's go there. I have to go there.
Okay,
Come here.
okay, I will follow you.
Fly there.
Okay.
I said, we go there. Up in the...
Oh, come on, Rocco.
Come here, we go
Oh, go, 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 go.
there. We go
Go.
there. And
Go Rocco.
there's more.
Rocco will go in the mountain. That mountain. See?
There's
Wow.
mountain.
Wow, he can go. Rocco can go in the mountain. Go Rocco in the top of the mountain.
The mountain
Okay, go.
there.
Go in the top of the mountain. Wow. Wow, Rocco. Wow.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We won't make a sound. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Under the frozen light, we are a picture of the
that's it for today. I hope you enjoy our small short video here in Fossils Dune, Abu Dhabi. So I hope you liked the video, and you comment if you have, and subscribe. Bye guys.